here is a homogeneous tank. This is the outlet connection. This is the outlet connection point. This is a vacuum connection point. When you want to vacuum the tank, just open this 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 valley. This is the inlet connection point with the pipe. Let oil and water into the tank. This is the outlet air point. This is the inlet connection point with high pressure water. This is the inlet connection point with cold water to cooling the motor wheel.